Hello, what is the role of support lines in entry decisions when it comes to swing trading? Well, let's take an example of IES as of May 23, 2026 to analyze here and answer that question. When we are looking at IES, because I like to use long Uptrend swing trading strategy, I like to find my support lines and I like to trace them in an oblique way. So here I'm finding one, but because I'm not seeing too many years on my screen, on my maximum daily chart, I will go to maximum monthly chart because my support line are going to pass by the valley of the chart, by the higher lows of the chart. So, and the support lines, at least the role they play in my swing trading strategy, that is where I'm buying the stock. So, and I like those support lines to be the one passing by the bottom of the chart. And because I'm swing trading growth stocks, those support lines are oblique upward. They are upward trending because they are passing by the higher lows of the chart. To support the chart upward trend, it has to be oblique. So I trace 3 here, passing by the bottom of the chart, and this is long enough to be the one. So when I'm looking at it, we have the dates on the x-axis from the past to the present, and we have the price on the y-axis from $0 up. So we trace it, and this I change the color for this one because that is where I want to buy. I will choose where I'm comfortable buying the stock, and right now I chose this line to be where I want to buy. And then I will wait for the price to pull back to it and start going up from there. So there is something we are looking at here is a touch base with it already, but I didn't purchase it because it left there. But what I'm noticing is it has now reached all-time highest price yet. So therefore I can still enter the trade. And what I find amazing when it comes to those is I will do a chart analysis and then I will make a decision. But then later, as I keep analyzing the chart down the road, my decision will change. I must have decided that this is too far up for me to buy. Well, now that I'm looking at it, yes, it's too far up away from where I want to buy, but it has now reached all-time highest price yet. So therefore, if I want to buy, I can still buy some, knowing that I will be paying a higher price for it since it's well far away from where I want to buy. So, and it touched base with this support line while in 2025 April, and has been on that trajectory. So I will highlight that I will want to buy during the week, but yes, I'm going to pay a higher price for it because it's far from where I would prefer to buy, and then hold on to it. And when it reaches all-time highest price, I can decide if I want to sell it or stay in the trade longer, depending on how long it has, the last time it reached all-time highest price, how long it remained there before it was done. So we have this horizontal sideways, they might say consolidation, but pretty much here we have horizontal support line here. It climbed up, came back, climbed up just a little bit past this, and so forth there. Excuse me, and reached all-time highest price there and came back. So chances that when it reach all-time highest price, if it's going to repeat the same thing, if it reach all-time highest price, I could stay in the trade for a little bit longer and just get out if it's going to repeat this, because it repeated this for what, 3 years or so, or 4 years or so, before it was done and came back. So I don't know if it's going to do the same, but yeah, I might buy some share and just go from there. So that will be the way I will go with this IEX. The support line is where I want to buy, but I didn't catch it when it was there, and it started going up already, but has not reached all-time highest price, which is my exit, my default exit. It has not reached that area, so I can still buy some and go from there. There is a chance it might pull back a little bit as is, moving, and I might be negative, sometimes positive, sometimes depend on how it's moving, because again, I'm buying it away from the lowest point. So the fluctuation here can make it fluctuate in my portfolio as well, in the positive and the negative sides, until it reach all-time highest price. And when it's going to reach that, I don't know. So that is the role support line plays in my swing trading strategy. Sometimes I trace it to when I'm determining my value, and when I trace this is just supporting the mountain is climbing. It's supporting the upside wall of the mountain is climbing. It's not my value line. I prefer the support line passing by the valley of the chart. That is where I want to buy. The other support line, the short ones, support the upside wall of the mountain that the chart is claiming. And that is the way I use support lines in my swing trading. So thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, Curious of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in sub.com our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could be a way to create another stream of income. Just start small and grow your account from there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional stock trader. I just swing trade in our personal account, and I like to share my knowledge, my learning, what is working for me, what is not working here with you, so that you can find few tips that you can improve and use in your own financial success journey. Thank you so much for your time, and please use our information at your own discretion. For more swing trading videos in this series, please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Uptrend Lines. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. We sold to sell, and we have some, cloth towels and bags there on our online store. So if you are looking for napkins or bags, cloth bags, please check it out. So thank you so much. Happy swing trading.